The man of the match of the final match is going for the Araf from the. Please Araf come forward and take
Big match player.
your
Big match player. Final player.
a very big shout out and
Well played man, well played. 55 এর গর্ব।
and the man of the tournament. Now it is the turn of the man of the tournament, the most awaiting, and everyone knows who is this. And he is again Araf from the 50.
Best effort দিছস। Best
So
সেরা
I'd
সেরা।
like to invite Sabir Bhai to give the
মামা,
prize.
শাবাশ শাবাশ।
to the-
We are same ভাগ করে নিছি এটা। Same বার্থডে ফলে। সেরা সেরা। এটা ভাগ করে দিস। নোয়াখালী আর ইয়ার মধ্যে।
Inviting the captain of the women's team. And he is good at with that.
সেরা
And
সেরা।
you have seen that. Once again, so I'll be calling the captain of the champion team. One and
hey, big league করবি না আগে।
50th match. Please give a big round.
এই পিক পরে। এই পিক করে পাবলিশ হবে না। এটা ওরা দিবি না।
So he's taking his prize, the grand prize of this tournament, along with the trophy. It's the supplementary for their trip.
টেকা টেকা। ম্যানেজার সব কথা বল।
So I'd like to thank you all of you for your patience. Again, once again, I'd like to call the captain of the winners team, Araf from 55th match. Please accept the trophy. Okay, everyone can join there.
আমি বাইরে চলে গেছিস রে লম্বা হয়েছিস তো ওটা বাদ দে শুভরে বাদ ওকে 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 তাহলে হবে তাহলে হবে ভাই
As you can